Hello, friends. A viewer of mine has asked me to make a small informative video on the present India China border situation. And he also specifically mentioned that he wants to understand this problem in a very layman way, as easy as possible. He did his own fact finding. He read a lot of articles and he went through a lot of videos, but it was very typical for him to get the gist of it, and he was not able to understand it properly, that what is actually the problem. So I am going to simplify for the viewer and for all of you the actual problem and what is the problem between India and China and why there is a problem. For that, we have to understand firstly two things: LAC and LOC. Now, LAC is line of actual control and LOC is line of control. Now, line of control is a line that separates two countries, mutually agreed upon line that separates two countries and is internationally validated and substantiated. So India and Pakistan, two countries, they have a LOC that is mutually agreed upon, and this agreement is validated by international community. Now, LAC on the other hand is something which is very vague. Vague in the sense that if there is a dispute among two countries, they are not able to arrive at a conclusion to find a LOC, and they have a continuous collision of opinions. No, this is my part. No, this is my part, and all these things are going on. Then it becomes LAC, line of actual control. Now, line of actual control sometimes also have heritage, culture, residence, and things like that. Uh, for uh, for consideration. So LAC is vague, not mutually agreed upon, contested, and LOC is mutually agreed upon. In order to understand it in a proper fashion, we have to understand that the geographical location of it and uh, the things related to geographical location. Now, it starts from Karakoram Pass and it goes up to Arunachal Pradesh. Now, in Arunachal Pradesh, of course, we have McMahon line, and that McMahon line is LOC, mutually agreed upon, internationally substantiated. From Arunachal Pradesh onwards, if you go, from Sikkim onwards, if you go till Karakoram Pass up north, then that is the place where that is considered to be LAC and that is contested. Now, why it is contested? Because China has plans, one belt, one road initiative, they call it, and they are trying to revive that Silk Route. And for that Silk Route, they want a lot of land so that they can capture, they can move their goods from one place to another place, from China to Kazakhstan to Pakistan to Afghanistan, and so on and so forth. So they want to capture that whole area. Here, the main bone of contention is also a lake, the lake called Pangong Tso Lake. Now, this lake is 135 kilometers long, and 45 kilometers of this lake, stretch of this lake, is falls under India's LAC. I mean, this is claimed by India that this 45-kilometer of lake is with us. So India believes that 3,800 kilometers is the LAC for them, and China believes it's only 2,000 kilometer. So in order to understand it better, we have to look at the upcoming photographs. Now, if you see in these photographs, there are 8 mountains. They are called 8 fingers, from 1 to 4 and 4 to 8. So Chinese, they have their post on 8th, that is on the east, on your right side. On your left, up top, on in the north is Karakoram Pass, that is 1, and it comes to 4th, the 4th where India has its post. What happens is that in 1999, because of Kargil war, India has to pull its troop from this place and they have to deploy it to Kargil. In This time, China started building road and it entered into the post. That is the fourth mountain. That is actually LAC for India. So India believes that the fourth mountain is the LAC. Though now Chinese are claiming that fourth is not the LAC, two is the LAC. So now they are trying to push India backwards towards the north, towards the Karakoram Pass, and they have started building up roads. They also built roads in 1996, which was India raised objection, and because of that objection, they have to destroy that bunker and the road they made. So now what they are doing is they are getting into that fourth mountain and trying to stop India from crossing the fourth mountain. Now, India soldier, they traditionally used to go up to, from first they used to go up to the 8th to the 7th. Traditionally, they used to patrol this area. But now, Chinese, because of Chinese aggression, I would not call it dispute, but aggression, because of Chinese aggression, they have captured uh, the fourth and they are trying to push India back. Now, this is the bone of contention, and this is how they are trying to take advantage of India's weakness because of the pandemic. Now, India maintains that the LAC passes through Finger 8, which has been the site of the final military post of China. Whereas China, on the other hand, says that LAC passes through Finger 2. And China has been patrolling up to Finger 4, mostly in light vehicles, and at times up to Finger 2. The confrontation of Doklam that happened in May was on Finger 5, that was on Mountain 5. Currently, the eye to eye confrontation is happening on Finger 2, that is mountain number 2. So you can see China is constantly trying to push India up north. China also knows that India has a strategic position in the name of Daulat Beg Oldie airfield, that is the highest airfield on the earth, and it is a very strategic point. It wants to control that point so that it can control Ladakh. Secondly, China does not want India to create infrastructure, to ramp up infrastructure there. If it ramps up infrastructure there, if India has infrastructure, then India definitely will have an upper hand in that sector. So China is trying to push India back and do it by sheer muscle power.